Study hard and study smart. So, what is a study hard and what is a study smart? Um, to answer that question, I would like to share with you about one example. The example is if you see a student A and student B. Student A just study at the last night. He struggled at the last night of the examination, or test, or presentation, or what kind of important day. So the last night he struggled and struggled and struggled without think about sleeps. That is the study hard. But in a situation B, the boy B just study every day and she do practice every day about 1 hour or 2 hour maybe and get a very good in sleeps. So that is a study smart. According to my research, the sleeps is a very important to ourselves as a human, not a robot. But before I go further about the important thing of sleeps, I would like to share with you about why the sleep become important. According to my research that I just study, is one of the very dangerous six will be attend the people who lacks in sleeps. So what is kind of the dangerous six? The dangerous six we call it depression. It's become from stress. So that's mean if you lack your sleep, you become a stress. Yes, this is the exactly what I mean. So to improve your body immunity and your antibody, you may have a sleeps and a good sleeps, not a poor sleeps. Not just that, if you get a poor sleeps, you link it will be linked to the higher weight. So you maybe get more fatty or not have enough energy to through it your next day. I mean tomorrow. When you wake up, we will be so not energetic and will be so um stressed to treat the day. So let we go to the our main topic is the important things of sleeps. So if you can see, I have three uh, that I have bowls. So it will be improve your concentration and productivity. What is the concentration and productivity? Um, Maybe you should try it. You should get good sleeps, and after you wake up at the morning, what you feel? You will feel so concentration and your productivity energy will be more higher than yesterday. That is because of you have a good sleeps. Get it? Okay. We go to the athlete um a daily life. Maybe one of you that watching my video is athletes. So do you agree with me when in a section of training section you will have a good sleeps or good rest at the night? Do you agree with me? If you are athlete, you can answer my question. So the sleeps will be the one of the thing that minimize athlete performance. If you can see in a Malaysians or every country, they have a good rest for the athlete. I mean the good rest. If you can see, um, they had a party. They go to the after the training session. They go rest at the one place that will be reset their brains and had a good sleep without the noisy and a very very good place, I think. So why the country athlete do that thing? Because they want to maximize the athlete performance, maybe next game or maybe next tournament. So are you agree with me, athletes? You can had your answers. So the last thing and the I think the important thing to the of the sleeps is sleeps will be the um, factor of the recharge the brains. What is recharge the brains? I think you can get it where when I say the sleep will be fixed your brain slowly. If you had a question, I think the your recharge your brain recharge is not good and it's not the exactly of the sleep. You can try it. The sleep after you sleep, you can feel fresh. You can feel more energetic. So that is why sleep is very very important. So for for students, I think whatever you do, you never lack your sleeps, because if you lack your sleep, you will be sick and more um, sick will be attend yourself, and it is very not good. So in my conclusions, I recommended that every single of life, not just students, not just the workers, not just the athletes, they would have a good sleeps. Because if you have a good sleeps, you may be it can improve your concentration and productivity. And if you get the good sleep, for especially for athletes, it will be increase your performance. For the students, it will be recharge your brains. So everything that you do after sleep is very very fresh. So that is the important thing of sleeps. So my name is Muhammad Azfar bin Razli. I'm from EE242, and Assalamu alaikum.